right, welcome back. Now, you know, when we go on break like this, now then they see a lot of topics, they actually come aside. Now, during the break, they talk about heartbreaks and how to overcome them, even for a man and also for women. No worry, on Friday, we'll talk about them. Let's know what to do about it.
And our topic, Doctor, we come back another day.
He will. All right, we still get Dr. Tunde Ajayi inside the studio. And not forget it for front, we're going to talk about fibroid, one of the things where they affect women, even younger women and also older women for inside Wobodo, Nigeria. According to research, 80% of women they suffer from fibroid. So we go find out more about them and also how we fit help ourselves, if possible, how we fit actually help ourselves. Now, before the break, we tell you about the girlfriend or the fiancé where discover say her boyfriend they cheat on her with person where they internet Facebook.
Troy.
So after she read all the messages of the love way that they actually send go each other, she decide to leave the man. But after leaving the man, like what the doctor say, it dey hard for you to overcome heartbreak. She decide because of that love to do more investigation, and she can investigate, find out say even the woman where the man they think saying they love online. Na scam, na she be, and they want dupe am of £2,000, and she can't go back, save the man, tell the man and the information that we actually save the man. Now they ask you those questions. You go save that partner where it dump you for another person.
Online. It don't be for computer
it
person.
It dump you for computer person. You go save that partner. Let us know. Enter Twitter at @TokTokWazobia. But meanwhile, the ladies and the gentlemen go put mouth inside.
Gentleman, please first put mouth. I must always throw on to you. Gentleman,
first off, me if you say Yahoo boys no get conscience. You understand? Now the first thing be that
they don't get now. They use jazz.
Go any length. I mean, even for men, self, they go tell you stuff, your Facebook and all of that. Secondly, I also think say person where they don't plan to marry, you know, fiancé is what here, not boyfriend, girlfriend. If you are someone's fiancé, you will go any length to keep that guy if you have gone a long way. And if you plan to marry the person, sharp. So part of going the extra mile, now waiting she to go investigate the guy. I mean, on a regular self, if you find out, say, your boyfriend there with another babe or your boyfriend they text another babe and all those things, you go and find out about the babe now.
Where?
You go call the babe.
People don't ex-boyfriend.
So doctor, if now you and you still say their babe do this kind of thing, what if you do? What if you go do in fact?
Yeah.
Yeah, you be the babe. No, even if now him be the man and he dates girl, the girl won't leave her for Yahoo boy. Continue.
If they won't leave me for Yahoo boy, you know, say man, our conscience get great. You understand? Some men, you don't beat them, say, if babe leave me in life, you understand? So some men go just withdraw and just lock up.
Lock up.
If they dupe you, now God win.
That's sorry.
Wow. So you what you go do now? That kind you go lock up.
No, it depends on how. I mean,
you talk and I say fiance now.
Yeah, so fiance. If you're not fiance, no, I will go the extra mile now. I go find out.
So you go save him.
I go save him. I feel even find the guy safe.
Kill him.
No, not be killed, but they go jail and small.
Well, if you ask me if I go chook man for this matter, you know, say I be advocate of love. So I will save my love. As my love wear Google, so I go make sure say I open that Google. Search for that person. We won't carry my love from me. Tell her and say there is no other like me, and it is only me and me alone that will take my love. So if I be that woman, yes, I will save him. I go find all the necessary means to who that person be. In fact, I'm not going to eliminate him, but I go warn him seriously. Say, next time, no come this way.
Hey, let me tell you something.
I'm not going to eliminate him.
I know you say you go warn him. No, wait. I come out this thing a little bit from my ear. You say you go warn him. Let me give you a scenario. A girlfriend go warn a side chick. Say you had better leave my man alone. Oh my God.
No, you call
the
side
girlfriend
chick.
Not go house
Now
normal.
side chick you call now.
It's on
this
a computer.
person has computer and has scammer.
Okay, you say you go send text, go give the girl.
I go warn this scammer. I say no come this side.
What if she warn you say?
What if
she warn you say? I don't care about you. I will take the man.
She know who I be.
Okay,
she don't know who
you
I
don't know
be.
who she be too. What if she warn you too?
You see, if na Yahoo man go. I beg, may I hear what? See,
Warning.
For the other people now they do love and everything. You and I save, you that save, team love. We are for the association of deal with you. High time, upside, inside out. Put them inside your innermost mind. That's how I go deal with you. Number one, if na Yahoo, if you click, I say, guy, I sabi bank account details. The amount when they ask for it too low, maybe up our game. Or I go shut up, lock up like bros talk. Make you dey do your nonsense. And I come and say, oh yeah, I knew about it, so what? Life goes on. You must pay one way or the other.
I tell you, I will actually go with you today. Now, I don't forget one ex-boyfriend where you said the guy leave me for another girl. And me, I love investigation.
And it's not leaving for man.
So I you can't go with our...
Wait, now. No, I want to explain to you. I love to investigate what was. So I got to find out who be this girl you actually leave me for. I discovered that this girl na Givenchy, and a person where they actually go from one place to another. I just lock up. I just say, let us see what will happen at the end of the day. 2 months later, the girl run, come on, leave the man. Call me.
Uwi, darling.
Uwi, how are you doing?
Sweetheart.
I say, how is she? Say, that girl is a devil. I say, really? Oh, that's nice. And then you call one, make I come back. Uncle, sorry.
Oh,
I have moved on. Passed away. Never. Never. For me, I would never save you. You should learn your lesson, because if I save you now, you not learn anything from inside. You go see one do am tomorrow, or you go feel say, now my jealousy, now make me feel say I did right. Because now, I don't know, there's something just fishy about
you
it.
need to do am the right way.
Which right
What is
way?
the right way?
Like, as this person, this lady take do am, she go am according to the steps. She follow the person, call it and make the guy see am by himself, say na scam.
No, she get time. See, let me tell you something.
she get the time.
Let me tell you something. Me, I believe in experience, not the best teacher. Make the man, next time, you know, go online, go look for girlfriend when you get real one way they stand by you. Let them dupe you of that money. Once they dupe you, you not go ever try them again. No, I will not save you.
Edo women.
Ain't there? He did that save you.
Where?
Thank you.
All right, you went out that you go with me, or you go with Amaka or Dr.
Go with
Tunde,
me. Love
or
is the
Awa?
best. Love is ultimate.
Okay,
Yes.
love and want it. Love don't die for Third Milan Bridge. Never hear.
Now you kill her.
Leave her.
Now you kill her for Third Milan.
Enter Twitter, talk about lots of what you think about them. Now, time Bobby for us to give you some tips of the day, very important tips. Now, we want to give you 5 reasons why you need to quit your job. Now, it's still motivational today, now inspirational day. 5 reasons, real life issue stroke inspirational day. 5 reasons why you need to quit your job. Now, number 1, your personal relationship, they suffer. Now, you know what, doctor, we go actually see whether we accept these reasons or not. Number 1, when your personal relationship, they suffer. Now, working overtime fear actually affect your home, especially if you're a married person. Imagine, say, they close like 8 o'clock in the night. Before you reach out, yeah, I'm just saying, before you reach out, your children don't sleep, your husband don't sleep. Now, they say if they affect your personal relationship and your personal relationship, they suffer, you need to quit your job. You agree? Papa?
No.
You don't agree with it? Good. Why? Just reason.
But in Nigeria now, where would you get another job and all those things?
So you just have to accept
Speak louder, let people know we are on the
So in
team.
Nigeria we day, you leave one job, you
To
go
get
walk
another
out
one
for
hard.
streets.
Well, may I agree?
You agree with them? Why?
Because truly, you no get time for yourself. Your family now the first things now. You go put job before your family.
I think this one, the people where they actually suffer most now women.
Now women.
Because women will have to leave work and go home and take care of the house.
Yes.
But it gets some people where I go say no. It gets some people just by the fact say then job fine, everything they conducive. Personal relationships they suffer. So what thing they tell me? It get as it be na 50-50.
Now 50-50, right?
As they work out here, if you no work out for the other side.
And I feel say it's still all up to the person.
Yeah.
If you don't see and save the amount of time and energy where they put into this work, in all day compared to which they get from the work.
Yes.
And then you don't see, we reach out. Now, not only you making the decision, you don't reach out, sit down with your husband and say, honey, this now waiting I don't put, this not the benefits where they get from this job, this not disadvantage. What do you think I should do? Both of them will put heads together to talk, to reason I'm okay, quit the job, you start a business, or you quit, or you do this. Not just take decision on your own. I feel say, to an extent, I go with number 1. Yeah. Good. Now, number 2, when you get a terrible boss,
I disagree.
Boss where they wicked. I say most people, they're not that happy with the kind of boss where they get, because every day where you go work, you are always sad, always in the bathroom crying. So once you get a terrible boss, time don't reach for you to quit that job.
No. Typical example, me. For my former place where I dey work, I no go talk the name. You get one boss, file they miss, this one they miss, that one I miss. Nah, how? I no agree. Now I can't go do dry fasting 3 days. Before I resume, the man, they don't drive him. Have a nice day. Next.
Well, I not to agree with that one, Sha, but in a way, I go agree. Why? Because if you know they're comfortable where you they work, your organ they give you rest of mind. Your guy they give you different headache every day. Why stay there?
Yeah.
Find another place. No, go get rest of mind. No, go they work somewhere where your boss go there. They call the chat. You idiot. Bam. As in some kind of things, not just they relevant.
Oh, you never take church when you see testimony like, my boss used to shout at me.
Praise
but
the
when I
Lord.
went to meet the man
yes.
of God, and he told me what to do, I prayed and prayed. And when I went to work the following day, my God smiled at me.
Oh, wow.
Don't you believe in
You go
miracles?
wait until somehow your guy managed to kill you where you did.
They're not going to kill you. No. You're not going to reach that
no
level. What do you
move.
think, doctor?
It depends on how terrible. I mean,
Very terrible.
me don't get
terrible boss.
some very bad bosses.
Yeah.
I reason and say, oh boy, I will leave this job. You understand? So I think say you fit leave your job because of a
Yeah.
bad boss. It can frustrate your entire life.
As in,
Yeah, I know say you should actually leave your job, but be prayerful. Kabash on top of. All right, number 3, when you don't fit in. Now, a lot of people don't stay company for like a year and they're still not fitting. They're still not fitting. They look themselves as an outsider. You know they move along well with the employees. Even your boss, the relationship is still on the minimal side. Then that one means that you need to quit your job.
That is for person when get wisdom. What of if like how we discussed yesterday, when your boss, they say he won't come out with you. Now, if the girl no fitting, like when I did bank, person when do catering, food and nutrition, enter bank with us. You understand? Nigerian labor market is one kind. You don't blame her. Now where she see work, she enter. If the girl now, they submit with Oga, she fitting, she not fitting. Now you be the Oga, you not be the Oga now.
What do you think, doctor?
Me feel say if you come out, if your mind no dey there.
Or
Yeah.
you feel learn.
If you don't fit in, your mind obviously won't be there.
if you don't fit in a bit move.
Just move.
For me, the only reason why you're not going to fit in now, if you tell yourself, say you're not fitting. Now, bring in your best. Yes, I understand, say you're not fitting in. It be like the picture where we show everybody wearing black while you wear red. Now, that red where you wear now, advantage and disadvantage, it all depends on you to turn it into something good and do something well for yourself. But in the long run, if you cannot, you have to
Like
leave.
she just talk and if you put all your effort inside and
You have to leave. Yeah, you have to leave. All right, we're going to need to pass more. But when we come back after the break, we'll give you 2 more tips and then later from the viewers before we meet doctor and talk about fibroid.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.